I trust that pain is leading me to deeper understanding and growth. Every challenge I face strengthens me and brings new lessons into my life. I have the power to transform pain into a source of personal strength. When you continue to go through the pain in your life, it's crucial to shift your perspective on what pain truly represents. Pain, whether physical, emotional, or psychological, often has the power to transform you in ways that you never anticipated. When we experience pain, it's easy to want to escape it, to run away from it, or to numb ourselves to it. Yet, when we allow ourselves to face pain head-on, without judgment or resistance, we begin to realize that it is not the enemy. It is an invitation for growth, understanding, and transformation. Pain is often viewed as something negative, something to be avoided at all costs. Society often teaches us to push through discomfort, to ignore the pain, or to hide it away. However, when we truly begin to shift our perspective, we realize that pain can be a powerful tool for growth. Pain is not just something to endure, it can be a catalyst for transformation. It serves as a wake-up call, drawing our attention to areas in our lives that require healing. When we allow ourselves to feel pain instead of running from it, we give ourselves the chance to understand it, and in turn, ourselves. When we stop avoiding or numbing the pain, we begin to notice the subtle lessons it has to offer. Pain is often the body's way of signaling that something is out of alignment, whether that's emotionally, mentally, or spiritually. It's as though pain becomes a form of communication, pointing out the areas that need to be tended to. For example, emotional pain often stems from unresolved trauma or suppressed emotions. Instead of burying these feelings, allowing ourselves to fully experience them provides an opportunity for healing. Acknowledging pain opens the door to self-compassion and understanding. Pain also shows us our vulnerabilities, our weaknesses, and the places where we have been avoiding growth. When we repeatedly face the same challenges or experience recurring pain, it's often a sign that there are patterns within us that need to change. Pain, in this case, becomes a guidepost that asks us to look deeper within ourselves and evaluate our habits, beliefs, and behaviors. What are we holding on to that no longer serves us? What is it in our past that continues to cause emotional discomfort? These questions, while difficult, are necessary for personal evolution. Pain can lead us to uncover hidden strengths we never knew we had. When we face our pain head-on, without running from it or trying to suppress it, we become more resilient. Each time we move through pain, we develop a deeper sense of inner strength. We discover our capacity for endurance, courage, and self-love. Over time, we begin to realize that pain doesn't diminish us, it makes us more robust, more capable of handling future challenges. One of the most transformative aspects of pain is that it forces us to slow down and reassess our life choices. In our fast-paced world, we are often conditioned to keep moving, keep striving, and keep achieving. We rarely stop long enough to check in with ourselves, to ask whether we are truly fulfilled or if we are on the right path. Pain, however, makes us pause. It demands our attention and asks us to reflect. Are we living authentically? Are we honoring our true needs and desires, or are we living according to external pressures or outdated beliefs? These questions can be uncomfortable, but they lead us to the most profound realizations. Instead of fearing pain, we should begin to view it as an ally. It's an indication that something in our lives requires our attention and that growth is on the horizon. Pain is not a punishment, it is a signal that change is needed, and it invites us to move toward healing. If we can learn to face pain with openness, we can navigate it with grace. This doesn't mean that the process will be easy, but it will be transformative. With each step, we become more aligned with our true selves and our purpose. Accepting pain in this way is not about seeking out suffering or wallowing in despair. It's about acknowledging that pain is part of the human experience and choosing to learn from it rather than be defeated by it. As we move through pain, we begin to shed layers of the past, outdated beliefs, and old emotional wounds. This is the process of self-liberation. We stop allowing pain to control us and instead take control of the healing process. Through this, we start to reclaim our power and create space for new possibilities, new experiences, and ultimately a more authentic version of ourselves. It's important to remember that pain is temporary, and its intensity often lessens as we move through it. The key is to not resist it or deny its presence, but to allow ourselves to feel it, process it, and heal from it. As we do, we begin to notice the growth that comes with each experience. With each painful moment, we gain clarity, understanding, and insight into ourselves and the world around us. We begin to realize that pain is not something that holds us back. It's something that propels us forward, helping us grow into the fullest expression of who we are meant to be. When we learn to view pain as a teacher rather than an adversary, it becomes a valuable tool for our personal development. It's not about avoiding discomfort, but rather about embracing it as a necessary part of the journey. In doing so, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and cultivate a resilience that serves us well in every aspect of our lives. The pain we experience does not define us, it refines us, making us stronger, wiser, and more connected to our true selves. Through this process, we are given the opportunity to become the best version of ourselves. A version that is free from the constraints of the past and open to the possibilities of the future. This process requires patience and compassion toward ourselves. Often, in our pursuit of healing, we rush through the pain, eager to feel better as quickly as possible. However, true healing doesn't happen overnight. It takes time. It takes vulnerability and courage to sit with discomfort, to face the pain, and to allow ourselves to feel it deeply. It can be tempting to push through, to distract ourselves, or to numb the feelings that come up. But in doing so, we miss the opportunity to learn from the experience. When we allow ourselves to feel pain fully, we open the door to deeper healing and greater self-awareness. As you begin to understand pain in a new light, you may also come to realize that your pain is not permanent. It is not an eternal state of being. Pain is transitory, just like joy, sorrow, and all other emotions. The key is not to identify with the pain or allow it to define you. Pain is a temporary visitor in your life, and just like all visitors, it will eventually leave. What remains after the pain has passed is the strength, resilience, and wisdom that you gained from facing it. Each experience of pain adds to your emotional intelligence, teaching you more about how to live in alignment with your true self. When you embrace pain as a tool for growth, you also begin to release the fear of it. Fear of pain can sometimes hold us back from pursuing the things we truly want in life. We avoid difficult conversations, we shy away from challenges, and we let fear keep us in our comfort zones. But once we recognize that pain is not something to fear but something that can teach us, we become more empowered. We understand that we have the ability to handle whatever comes our way, no matter how difficult it may seem at the time. Pain no longer has control over us, because we have learned how to navigate it and use it to our advantage. Pain is a powerful teacher, and learning to face it head-on can lead to some of the most profound transformations in life. It's crucial to understand that pain is not something to be feared or avoided at all costs. Whether emotional or physical, pain holds the potential to catalyze change within us. Yet, in our modern world, there is often an instinct to quickly push it away or mask it with distractions, substances, or other forms of denial. However, when we choose to meet pain with acceptance rather than resistance, we open ourselves to healing and growth. When experiencing emotional pain, it's tempting to distract ourselves. We may look for ways to numb the feelings, whether through busyness, unhealthy relationships, or other escapes. In doing this, we miss the chance to truly process and understand what the pain is trying to teach us. By avoiding emotional discomfort, we inadvertently prolong our suffering. Yet, when we choose to sit with the pain, not rushing it or forcing it away, we begin to understand its source and its message. Each wave of discomfort, though challenging, becomes a stepping stone toward healing. We learn to listen to the pain, understand it, and then release it with greater clarity and insight. Similarly, when we face physical pain, the reaction is often to search for immediate relief. While it is important to address physical pain with proper care and attention, there is also a deeper lesson to be learned. Sometimes, it requires taking the time to allow the body to heal naturally, working in harmony with medical treatments or therapies. Pain in the body can be a sign that something needs attention, whether it's a specific injury, an imbalance, or a deeper issue that the body is trying to bring to the surface. When we listen, take care, and respond thoughtfully to our body's messages, we begin to align ourselves with the natural processes of healing. As we learn to sit with pain, to be present with it, we are not just surviving it. We are actively transforming it. The key is surrendering to it, not in a passive way, but by acknowledging it fully without judgment. This is when true healing begins. In surrendering, we stop the inner battle, and instead, we allow the pain to pass through us, rather than being stuck in it. This process can feel uncomfortable, even overwhelming, but it is also the point at which we make space for growth. We can look at our pain, not as something that controls us, but as an experience that shapes us into a more resilient version of ourselves. Over time, the gradual transformation from pain to healing starts to show itself in small, almost imperceptible ways. It might show up as a renewed sense of peace, clarity, or perspective. Perhaps what once seemed like an insurmountable challenge becomes more manageable. The lessons that come from pain help us to realize our true strength. Pain teaches us that we are capable of more than we thought. We learn that we don't need to avoid the discomfort to be happy. Instead, we can walk through it and grow stronger with each step. Through this process, you begin to trust yourself more deeply. You begin to understand that your strength is not derived from avoiding pain, but from your ability to face it and come through the other side with more wisdom, compassion, and resilience. It is in this place of strength that you no longer see yourself as a passive recipient of life's challenges, but as an active participant. You are capable of navigating through any challenge with grace. No matter what life throws your way, you have the tools within you to handle it and move forward. What's more, the transformation of pain into personal power doesn't just change your own life, it has a ripple effect on others. As you heal, grow, and shift your relationship with pain, you naturally become a source of inspiration for others. Your ability to face struggles with courage and resilience encourages others to do the same. You demonstrate to the world that pain doesn't have to define you, it can refine you. Your journey of healing becomes a beacon of hope for those who may be struggling with their own pain, showing them that healing is possible. In this process, the lessons learned can serve as guiding principles for future challenges. When you face adversity in the future, you will remember the strength that pain taught you. You will trust that you have the ability to handle life's challenges. The next time pain arrives, you won't immediately fear it, nor will you try to run from it. Instead, you will welcome it as an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to deepen your connection with yourself. This shift in perspective, from seeing pain as an enemy to seeing it as a powerful ally, changes everything. In the end, pain is not something to be avoided or feared. It is something to be understood, processed, and ultimately transformed. By allowing ourselves to fully experience pain without resistance, we are not only healing ourselves but also learning to thrive in the face of life's challenges. As you continue on this path of healing, you'll discover just how strong, resilient, and capable you truly are. If this video has been valuable to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Liking the video helps spread this important message to more people who might benefit from it. Sharing allows others in your life to also gain insights that could help them on their journey. By subscribing, you ensure that you stay connected to future content that will support your continued growth and personal transformation. Every action you take contributes to a ripple effect of positivity, empowering both yourself and those around you to create lasting change. Stay engaged and continue your journey of self-discovery.